In this special episode of Painting Kentucky, Buddhist monks create world peace art one colorful grain of sand at a time. They spent a few days working on this in August at the Paul Sawyier library that was named for a Frankfort artist who painted most of his watercolors in plein air all around town and from a houseboat on the Kentucky River. So tell me the symbolism of what we see here.
So this is we call the World Peace Mandala, and you can see a center of the globe, and it symbolizes like the earth, and on that globe we have four perfect friends. We also call four harmonium brothers, which is elephant and monkey, rabbit and bird. So these four animals represent the friendship and the unity and how to respect each other. And even you, it doesn't matter like how strong you are, how powerful you are. This totally represents the friendship and the respect. So that the second circle, we make the 10 world major religion symbol. So when we see on the green, you can see the hand that represents the Jainism, and the white and black is called the yin yang. Somewhere we call Taoism, and then the Baha'iyat, and Sikhism, and Islam, and Christianity, and Buddhism, and Jews, and Hindu, and Zoroastrianism.
Now, what's the symbolism when after all this work, you wipe it all out?
Yeah. So after
what does that represent?
After we done the sand mandala, we dismantle the sand mandala. So it is the message of impermanent. So in this world, how beautiful and like how strong and powerful. At the end, everything is impermanent. We are just for the temporary. So this is the main message for the impermanent.
Yeah, that's neat. Well, thank you so much.
The original monastery is in Tibet. You have the flowers, you have water. So like when you had guests come in ancient times, you would purify them by throwing water. You had flowers that you would give them, welcome here. You had burned incense. You had something for them to eat. And then you had something for them to drink. So the water is used for purifying and as well.